The kidney is an organ in the body that, even though it's essential, many people don't pay too much attention to it until it's too late, and that's why kidney diseases are among the most common health conditions in the world today. Cleaning your kidneys by checking what you eat and avoiding the consumption of foods enriched potassium, phosphorus, and sodium is one of the very first steps in avoiding problems. And in today's video, we'll be showing you 10 foods that will help you with cleansing your kidneys. Do stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is an important vegetable for your kidneys as it contains antioxidants including vitamin C and K, calcium, iron, and magnesium, while also being a great source of fiber. It has also got several anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial effects that can play a major role in keeping your kidneys in good condition. Number 2. Berries. Berries, particularly blueberries, are another great source of natural antioxidants, and they're again useful for your kidneys, mostly due to being in low phosphorus, potassium, and sodium. To add to this, blueberries also help to reduce inflammation. Number 3. Red grapes. While this might be a pretty delicious fruit, red grapes are known to contain flavonoids which help to prevent inflammation. The fruit has also been shown to help with reducing the progression of kidney disease. While they're great to drink in the form of grape juice, you can also incorporate them into your diet to also get the benefits associated with them. Number 4. Chicken. While it can be said that consuming nutrients or foods that the kidney has trouble processing like protein, chicken is one of the options that you can consider to help you clean your kidneys, especially if you've not been told to stay on a low-protein diet. Skinless chicken contains less fat, sodium, and phosphorus than you'd find in skin-on chicken, and this is the reason why they can make for a solid kidney-specific diet. Number 5. Cabbage. Cabbage is loaded with calcium, vitamin K, vitamin C, fiber, manganese, vitamin B6, folate, and other nutrients and minerals that are great for the health of your kidneys. It's quite affordable, and it also has a very small amount of phosphorus and potassium that is too little to cause any harm to your kidneys. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to the channel for more amazing food choices that are great for your health. Number 6. Egg whites. Like skinless chicken, egg whites are another part of a protein-rich food that can be great for your diet. Egg yolks contain rich amounts of phosphorus, and this makes them a big red flag for your kidneys. However, egg whites are a healthier option, and they can also make for a healthy and kidney-safe addition to your diet. Number 7. Fatty fish. If you have to eat a fish that would be great for your kidneys, the right choices would be to eat salmon, mackerel, or albacore tuna. These fatty fish choices are known to help with increasing omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats in your diet. And to add to this, they've also been known to help with reducing complications associated with kidney disease. Number 8. Garlic. While it might not have a nice smell or a delicious taste, garlic is one of those food options that can make for a kidney-safe addition to your diet. Garlic is known to contain vitamin C and vitamin B6, which are solid nutrients that help to not only cleanse your kidney, but also to reduce your chances of the risk of getting kidney disease. Number 9. Bell peppers. As vitamin C is one of those nutrients that have been shown time and time again to have a great impact for your chances of preventing kidney disease, bell peppers are packed with this vitamin as well as vitamin A, which can help to improve your immune system. Cooking this vegetable and adding it to your diet provides you with enough nutrients that help you improve your immune system, hence keeping your kidneys in good condition. Number 10. Soy milk, tofu, and fortified cereals. While there are those who believe that staying away from calcium-rich foods will help protect your kidneys, well, these options, as well as other high-calcium foods, are among those that are great for you. The thing is, too much urinary oxalate can cause kidney stones, and calcium is a nutrient that is needed to bind to oxalate to reduce the absorption and excretion of this substance, hence making it a good option to add to your diet. However, a recommended daily intake of 1.2 grams of calcium is what is best for you. While these options are those that you should not hesitate with adding to your diet, options such as nuts, bananas, red or processed meats, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, soda, and avocados are among those you need to avoid. Your kidneys are very essential organs, and as such, you should try to keep them in good condition always. Are there other foods you think would be a great kidney-safe option? Let us know in the comment section. If you also enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, then you should also check out early signs of diabetes that people should not ignore.